Hello, my name is Justin Colley. I'm one of the Business Development Managers at Australian Catholic Super, and I'm going to talk to you today about the fund and give you an overview of the different services we offer. And it's really aimed for our new members to get an understanding of Australian Catholic Super. Australian Catholic Superannuation has been assisting members in the Catholic community for nearly 40 years. Our goal is to ensure every one of our members has a dignified retirement. However, retirement may be a long way away, or superannuation can seem like times confusing. That's where we're here to help. With all my presentations, I do give a quick disclaimer. Essentially, the disclaimer says everything that we cover today is general nature. We're not taking into account anybody's personal circumstances. Should you want personal advice that takes into account your own circumstances, we suggest that you contact a licensed financial planner. At Australian Catholic Super, we have a number of financial planners who can help you. If you call our office on 1300 658 776, they'll be more than happy to assist you. So an overview of the fund. We're an industry fund established back in 1981, primarily for people working in the Catholic Church. Over that time, more and more people have joined, family and friends and general community have joined our fund. Today, we have over 90,000 members, and on behalf of those members, we look after close to $10 billion now. Over the life of our fund, we've had consistently good performance, with our conservative balance returning over 9% since 1981. Ensuring our members achieve a dignified retirement is our primary mission. We have offices in Sydney, Brisbane, Perth, Port Macquarie, Townsville, Canberra and in Burwood. We're a trusted provider in these uncertain times. Some of the services that we offer at Australian Catholic Super include workplace visits and group presentations. We have an in-house call centre that works 6 days a week. Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 8 p.m. during the daylight saving months, and 8:30 to 7 p.m. during the non-daylight saving. We also offer a wide variety of seminars and education programs to assist our members in informing them about what their retirement may look like. We have a number of innovative planning tools, such as calculators on our website. Our limited advice guys can help you on the call centre. And we also have a members online portal where you can do some of your transactions with the fund, such as changing your member investment option, rolling over money, or making additional contributions. All our administration is done internally. So when you call our office, you're talking to one of our staff and they can follow that up with other staff members within our fund without going to third parties to get that assistance. We've had flexible and competitive insurance products and premiums, and I'll touch on those a bit later today. And we also have comprehensive and limited advice services. Again, I'll touch on those a bit later. Our member portal gives you your up-to-date balances and all your transaction history. You can also use that as a filing cabinet with all your statements there, and all your correspondence with the fund is saved in the members filing cabinet. You can look at how your fund is tracking through our investment section and also change investments if you wish. You can also look at your insurance and how much you're covered for. When you're doing that, you can also update your beneficiaries to make sure that the money is going to the right person if something was to happen to you. There is also instructions there of how you can make additional contributions to the fund through BPay. Our member education program is designed to give you information about the fund, help you understand what you can do to maximise your superannuation and assist you in planning for your retirement, whether it's just around the corner or a long way away. So some of those topics could be simple super, where it's just an overview of contributing to superannuation, rolling over, insurance you may need, and so on, to our more detailed seminars such as Retirement 101, where we give you a comprehensive overview of what retirement may look like and how you can prepare your finances as you lead up to retirement, and then what you can do with your finances in retirement and how we can look after you through a transition to retirement or an allocated pension and give you a continued income stream. We also help you with growing your super sessions. There's also aged care planning, where all our financial planners can assist you with aged care. And that's proving very popular for our members who may have elderly parents or grandparents that they need to assist and they're primary carers for. So we're always trying to assist our members where we see a need. The default option for Australian Catholic Super's investments is Lifetime One. Lifetime One is an innovative product that moves as you get older. For people who are aged under 40, have a higher exposure to growth assets, around 90%. Once you reach age 40 through to 70, each year will take off a percent of weighting to growth assets and move that to defensive. So by the time you reach 70, you've now got an exposure to about 40% growth assets and 60% defensive assets. So between ages 40 and 70, each year we take away a percent of growth and move it to defensive to help you in times of uncertainty when the markets are down. To choose the best investment option for you, we suggest that you contact our fund and book a limited advice appointment. They can do a risk profile of you and see which is the best investment option for you over the phone. It's also a good idea to contribute to superannuation and put a little bit extra away. The government encourages you to be self-funded retirees, so any additional amounts that you put into superannuation, they're charging you less tax. So for people who earn $18,200 to $37,000, your tax rate is 19%. By putting a little bit extra into super, that lowers your tax rate down to 15%. Where the real savings, though, is for people who earn over $37,000. So people on a tax bracket of $37,000 to $90,000, your tax is 32.5%. By salary sacrificing, you're lowering that to 15%, a saving of 17.5%. If you earn more than that on the next tax bracket of $90,000 to $180,000 of 37%, the tax savings are even greater at 22%. The government are doing this because they want you to put money away for the future and not be drawing on the age pension. So the benefits of salary sacrifice, we've got an example here of somebody earning $100,000. If you earn $100,000, your gross fortnightly pay is $3,846. So you're paying tax of $1,025 on that and taking home $2,821. If you can afford to salary sacrifice 5%, which equates to $192, you're lowering your taxable income down to $3,653. So you're now only paying tax of $2,705, a tax saving of $75 per fortnight. So to put in an extra $192 into super, it's affecting your take-home pay by $117. With that tax saving of $75, that equates to $1,950 per year. If we multiply that year after year, it's going to be a huge tax saving for you over the life of your journey in superannuation. It's also a good idea to consolidate your superannuation with other funds. You may have superannuation with many funds from previous employment. Consider bringing it all together. That way, you're not paying duplicate administration fees, and it's easy to keep track of and deal with one fund. I would say though, if you do have insurance with more than one fund, you may want to consider increasing your insurance with Australian Catholic Super first before you're rolling that money over, or also rolling your insurance over. And to do that, I'd suggest you contact our fund, our call centre on 1300 658 776. Our call centre can also assist you with rolling that money over through our Supermatch facility, and we can do it all online for you, or you can do it yourself on our website at catholicsuper.com.au or through the ATO. The Australian Taxation Office in your member account there has a superannuation section there which allows you to roll your money through them. With Australian Catholic Super, you have default insurance cover, and that default cover is for death, total and permanent disablement, as well as temporary salary continuance. So to give you an example, some default cover with Australian Catholic Super, a 23-year-old has death and TPD, which is total and permanent disablement, of $105,300, which costs you $67.08 a year. A 25-year-old has cover of $315,900, which costs $201.24 per annum. As you get older though, your cover does decrease. So a 45-year-old, your default cover is $180,300, which again costs the same amount as a 25-year-old, but it's about $130,000 less. Now the reason for this is as you're getting older, your superannuation balances increase, so you need less insurance, but also it costs a lot more to insure an older member than it does a younger member of the fund. If you want to keep your insurance cover at a higher amount, you can fix your cover at any time by completing the forms online or contacting the call centre. We also offer income protection. Now, income protection or temporary salary continuance provides you with salary protection for up to 2 years. Now, this is a unit-based cover, so you need to make sure you've got enough units to cover your salary. So each unit value is $15,000. So for example, if you earn $70,000 a year, you'd need 5 units of cover to cover your salary. So for that 23-year-old, 1 unit of cover for $15,000 is $77.85 a year. The 25-year-old is actually slightly less, it's $75.30. A 45-year-old, the premium is $189.20 per unit of cover. It's always important to seek information and get advice from the fund. We offer a number of layers of advice, how we can assist you. The first one is general advice. And the general advice is where we can give you factual information about your account. That's myself, all the other business development team and regional managers, our call centre, and all of our staff members only give you general information. If you want more detailed advice about your own circumstances, and it's single topic advice, we can give you over the phone advice. Our over the phone advice looks at single topic issues. So if you wanted advice on member investment choice, contributing to superannuation through salary sacrifice, or whether or not you've got enough insurance cover, our limited advice team can assist you over the phone. All you need to do is call our call centre to make that appointment. If you want comprehensive advice that looks at all 3 of those topics together, as well as your whole financial picture, that's when you meet with one of our comprehensive financial planners. Our comprehensive planners is a fee for service, and they will charge you according to the work involved in preparing a financial plan for you. So to contact the fund, please use our call centre on 1300 658 776, our website at catholicsuper.com.au, or you can email us at fundoffice@catholicsuper.com.au. We've also got some social media where we're quite active in our Twitter account, Facebook, and also LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this video on the introduction to superannuation with Australian Catholic Super.